Hi, meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk about ski conditions for the next 7 days. So this weekend into even next week, early next week. And I really like what I'm seeing. Look at the jet stream on this graphic that I made. It looks active. The Northeast, 2 chances of snow. I like the second one better. It has more potential to be more of kind of an East Coast storm Sunday, Monday. So we'll keep a close eye on that one. Now out west, look at the jet stream, how far north it's ridging along the west coast. Unfortunately, that leaves California completely dry over the next 7 days. But with this kind of orientation, we're going to see kind of a railroad track of moisture, 3 to 4 waves of snowfall to hit the mountains out here. And what I'm looking at on this graphic are these white areas. This is snow accumulation over a 7-day period. So let's zoom in on this just a little bit. We could have heavy 7-day totals. Northern Colorado, up into the Tetons, up into parts of Idaho and Montana, and then up into the Pacific Northwest as well. Now, the caveat with this, when you get a jet stream like this kind of a pattern, warm air loves to feed in on this, and we could have rain mixing in some of the base areas of the ski areas at a number of these places, and that includes even up into Whistler, includes Pacific Northwest, Idaho. This could be an issue as we work our way through the weekend. But my Tomer's take, if you're skiing this weekend on Friday, I would hit Steamboat. On Saturday, Jackson Hole, Grand Targhee looks really good. And on Sunday, I'd choose from either Sun Valley, Jackson Hole again, or Steamboat again. So have a great weekend, and thank you for tuning in here.